My name is Brandon Garcia. I'm a sales pro over here at Funtown RV in Cleburne, Texas, and I wanted to take a moment to show you the brand new Wildwood 22 Aris. It's an absolutely stunning model with a humongous amount of features. I think you're absolutely gonna love it. Let's start with the front. Number one, we have a power tongue, so you're able to get this bad boy off your truck with ease. It also has an outdoor light, so you can turn that on at night and be able to see exactly what you're doing. This comes equipped with 2 propane tanks, 20 pounds per tank, which is gonna give you a lot of power when you're out on the road as far as propane is concerned. It is a fiberglass model with an aluminum frame. I wanted to point to one thing before we get any further. Look at the size on this pass-through storage. It's absolutely huge. You can get a ton of goods in here, chairs, whatever you're bringing to go camping in for you and your family, you won't have a lack of storage. Everyone knows that you want storage in an RV. You can't have enough, right? Number two, we'll start by pointing to the power awning that's extended a little bit right now. With the push of a button, you can pull that thing all the way out and you and your family can enjoy your camping without the sun beating down on you, the rain, whatever is happening outdoors, you'll be protected from it so you can be outside enjoying each other's company. Number two, they've got power jacks, okay? So with a push of a button, you can lower those stabilization jacks. That's what they're meant for. They're not meant to hoist the camper up, they're just meant to stabilize them. So once you get it leveled out on the front, you just push a button and those arms will extend and set you up for camping. On the outside as well, they have 2 marine grade outdoor speakers. Now you don't have to worry about these getting wet at all. Those are waterproof, so you can enjoy music outside, you and your family jam into your favorite tunes via Bluetooth, AM, FM radio. It's all controlled inside by your stereo soundbar. Awesome feature to have. That way you guys can enjoy each other's company. Tandem axle, keeping you a lot safer on the road. That way you have more stability in your RV when you're driving. It's not gonna do no fishtailing on you. Another great thing about this one is you do have an electrical outlet plug, so if you wanted to have a TV outside, whatever you needed, you can use that. It's amazing. Another thing about this RV right here is that you have the More Ride Sturdy Steps. I love these things simply because, number one, when you're ready to leave the campsite, very lightweight, you just pick it up, slide it right into your camper. When you're down and you're trying to get inside the RV, voila. You have to also have a very large, sturdy. You also have a very large handrail, keeping you nice and safe when you're getting up into the coach, and you can jump on those things. You're not gonna break them. Really, really great feature about this RV. Going around the back of it, of course, you have what's called your Tankless on-demand water system, okay? What that means for you as a consumer is that if you're ready to take a hot shower, when you cut the hot water on, within 3 to 7 seconds, you have continuous hot water that's running off your propane. You'll get about 150 5-minute hot showers out of your propane. It's a highly efficient system, and if you like to take long showers like me or wash dishes with hot water continuously, you'll have access to that. As well as it comes equipped with a spare tire on the back, just in case you have any trouble on the open road, you'll have that safety function as well. You have your Lippert ladder connector. So that is just your telescope ladder that connects to your RV, allowing you access to the roof. Now the great thing about that is you actually don't have to climb up the ladder. It's installed like Spider-Man on a lot of these RVs. You can angle it and then have a safer ascent up on top of your RV. Now this one actually does have a nice super slide on the back of it, giving you more space in the RV, and I'm gonna show you exactly how that benefits you in a minute. Everybody wants more space in their RVs, right? Access to the back of your pass-through storage as well, so you can load and unload on both sides of this RV. Another great function of this that I missed on the first point is the battery disconnect. So when you're going into storage, you can turn that battery off and not drain your battery. Headed into the RV, look at the space that you have in this RV. It's not a humongously long RV, but at the same time, you feel very open in this space. One thing I do love about this is that you don't have a dinette. You actually have bar stools here. So when you're sitting down at the campsite, you can actually see out at everything. Huge windows, that's a big plus because what do we go for? We go for the view, we go for family time. This RV provides that, as well as the wraparound kitchen right here, giving you a ton of storage space. Look at all these drawers. Silverware, whatever kind of other goodies you want to keep. Snacks, all different kinds of things. Cabinetry everywhere. Ton of storage. Right? Once again, you can't ever have enough storage in an RV. You have a fully functional oven and a 3-top burner so you can enjoy food on the inside, cooking on the inside, whatever you want to do. If you want to bake a little pizza, have a good time while you're on the open road, is in a fully functional microwave, saving time for you while you're trying to cook so you can get back to camping, right? Over here we have a 12-volt refrigerator by Furrion. Ton of space in this refrigerator. What's good about this refrigerator as well is the fact that while you're traveling down the road, you can actually keep your goods inside, and the trickle charge from your truck will keep this thing nice and cold, keeping your beverages cold, meaning you don't have to stop. Another wonderful thing about this RV is the fact that you guys, when the slide is in, you still have access to your restroom and you have access to your refrigerator. What does that mean for you as a customer? That means you don't have to stop unless you want to get gas. You can go pull over to the side of the road, use the restroom, or get your beverages and food and have a little snack while you're on the open road. As well as a full pantry. Look how deep that pantry is. Wow, that's a whole lot of storage. That's a whole lot of snacking. That's a whole lot of saving you valuable money while you're on the open road because you've already brought your food with you instead of having to stop at a gas station and spend an exuberant amount of money on that kind of stuff. Another great thing about this RV is the fact that we have Thomas Paine recliners. They're so awesome too because you can open them up, pull them all the way out, and if you just want to have a nice midday nap, you're welcome to it. Very comfortable too. Also, we have a fully functional sound bar right here, Bluetooth capable and AM/FM radio. It's going to control your inside and outdoor speakers. With the push of a button, you're jamming out to your favorite music. You have your TV backer right here where you can put a wall mount. Another great thing about the 22 Aris is the fact you have extra storage space right here. Open it up and you have a hidden pantry. That's a lot of room to store extra goods. The more room in an RV, the better, as well as a fully functional fireplace. Now, what's great about this electric fireplace is the fact that it will keep this entire coach heated without running your propane. So when you cut this on, not only does it look cool, it has different color changing flames, different color changing rocks, but it's fully functional and it will keep this entire place nice and toasty for our cold-blooded campers out there who like to have it nice and warm. Moving into the bathroom now, which is another great thing about this RV, is the residential shower. I'm 6 foot tall, and when I step in here, I still have headspace, right? Also your shower head, I'm taking a nice shower, I'm having a good time. Tankless on-demand water, I can stay in here for 20 minutes if I want to, and I have plenty of space to move around in. Another great thing about this one is the storage for your towels, for your rags, toilet paper, whatever you wanted to do, there's no lack of that. And a lot of these RVs, you're limited to what kind of storage space you have in the restroom. Another great thing about this restroom on the 22 Aris is the medicine cabinet, of course. So you can keep your medication, soap, whatever you wanted to put in there. You can lock it in place, and it has a strap so when you're traveling down the road, that stuff doesn't go falling out everywhere. We're gonna go into the bedroom now. Pocket doors on both sides, so you can close these really simply like this. Open them back up, lock them into place for transit, and you're in business. This is an RV Custom King, amazing, amazing bed. One great thing about it too is the fact that it's got what's called VersaTilt on it. So with the push of a button, you can raise your bed up in case you want to sit in, enjoy each other's company, put a TV backer on the wall, and then you can also lower it back down. So one thing is that during the daytime, if you want more space in your bedroom, raise it up so you can walk around in here. If not, and then when you're going to bed, lower it back down. On both sides of the bed, we have wardrobe space, which is great, but also for our campers with CPAP machines, we didn't forget about y'all either. We have full plug-ins and USB outlets to charge your devices, plus a space where your CPAP machine can go in and a cutout in the side of the wardrobe to where you can use it. That's awesome. Amazing window views on all sides of this RV. If you're outdoors camping, you can see everything. Another great function about this RV is the fact that, okay, one more time. Another great thing about this RV is the 2 AC units, 15,000 BTUs, which means this is a 50 amp service for you. It's summertime right now, and this RV is nice and cool. I think you guys are going to absolutely love it. Once again, this is Brandon Garcia displaying for you the 22 Aris. We would love to see you here with us. 22 Aris is actually have extra storage space right here. Open it up and you have a hidden pantry. That's a lot of room to store extra goods.